My dear students, good morning. Now another crush, most vital important bits for NEET and JEE, that is, you see, don't miss this video, most important video. If an element electron configuration is available for you, how to find the period and group number? You see, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, the configuration of an element. Calculate number of period and group number he has asked. You see, if it is a S black element, here the trick is, if it is a S black element, if you want to calculate the group number and period number, you see simply the maximum principal quantum number indicates the maximum principal quantum number indicates what is this here 3. So n is equal to 3 indicates period. Please note it. At the same time, the number of electrons present in s orbital, that is valency shell, that is, yes, how many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. So that belongs to second group. So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, n is equal to 3, maximum principal quantum number. So that belongs to period. Please note it. At the same time, in S black, 2 electrons are there. So 2 electrons means that belongs to second group. Please note it. So if you want to calculate the period or group in S black, you simply write the electronic configuration. You need to identify the maximum principal quantum number, that is period number. You identify the maximum number of electrons in valency shell, that electrons indicates group. Okay. You see another example: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. This is nothing but 19 electrons are there. 19 electrons are there. One thing. Maximum here n is equal to 4. Maximum principal quantum number n is equal to 4. No doubt this belongs to fourth period. Okay. How many electrons are there in S black? Only one electron is there. So electrons 1. This indicates first group. Please note it. Principal quantum number indicates period. Number of electrons in valency shell, that is S black, that is only one electron is there. One belongs to first group. Okay. So you can find out the group if it belongs to S black. Okay. At the same time, if it belongs to P black, example, you simply ns electrons plus np electrons plus 10 is simply a simple question. You see, atomic number 14, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. This is the configuration. I have to know the group and the period. I have to calculate. You see, if it is a P black, no doubt. Differentiating electron enters into p orbital, that is nothing but p black. Okay. Ns electrons, how many? 2. Ns electrons 2. Np electrons, how many? 2. Okay. 10. You see how much? 40. So ns electrons 2, valency shell, np 2 plus add 10, 14th group. Please note it. This belongs to 14th group. What is this element? silicon, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, 14th group. Okay, which period it belongs? Maximum quantum number. How much here? 1 no, 2 no, 3 is the maximum quantum number. So here n is equal to 3, that is maximum principal quantum number. Maximum principal quantum number belongs to period. So third period. You please note it. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2 configuration you have calculated 14th group. What is the formula trick? Ns electrons plus np electrons plus 10. Simply. So 2 plus 2 plus 10, 14th group. Okay. What is the period? The number of principal quantum number. How much? Maximum 3. So 3 belongs to period. Third period group is 14th group. Okay. Another example. One s two, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. You see, trick is ns electrons 2, np electrons 3 plus 10. How much? 15. 15th group. If you want to calculate in p block the group number, we have to calculate ns electron plus np electron plus add 10. 15th group. Okay. X. Maximum principal quantum number how much? Maximum 3. So 15th group, you know very well. What are 15th group? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. 15th group. So period principal quantum number maximum how much? 3. So n is equal to 3. So this belongs to n is equal to 3. That means third period group ns electrons plus np electrons plus 10, that is 15th group. Okay, I think you have clear. If you want to know ns plus np plus 10, that is group number. If you want to create, just to simply the maximum quantum number, that is principal quantum number, that is n is equal to 3. Third period, you know very well, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. This is phosphorus. Third period, 15th group, nitrogen, phosphorus, 15th group. Please note. If it belongs to D black, ns electrons plus n minus 1 d electron. You please note it. ns electron plus n minus 1 d. Valency shell, penultimate shell. You see, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. 3D series I am going to take. You see vanadium. Vanadium 21, 22, 23. I want to know the group number of vanadium. You see 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3 or 4s2, 3d3 or 3d3, 4s2 problem. So ns electrons how much? 2. ns electrons 2. n minus 1 d electron how much? 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So no doubt vanadium belongs to 5th group. Please note it. Vanadium belongs to 5th group. ns electron plus n minus 1 d electron. 5th group. Okay. This is fifth group. What is the period? Maximum quantum number, how much? Principal quantum number? Fourth. So fourth period group is fifth group. Please note it. Fifth group. At the same time, I want to know copper. Copper. You see, so I want to calculate copper. Copper 29 atomic number. 29 atomic number. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. So, ns electrons 1, 3d electrons 10. So, 11 electrons. 11 electrons means 10 plus 1. So, actually, I can say this is the 11th group. 11th group I can say this is 11th group. But to convenience our sake, D black 1b, 2b, 3b, 4b, 5b, 6b, 7b, 8th group divided into 3. That is ferrous, copper, nickel. So please note it. So I can say 11th group or I can say first B group. So at the same time zinc you can do 4s2 3d9 if it is a zinc. About how many s electrons? 2, d electrons 10. So 12 electrons are there. So zinc belongs to 12th group or second group, 2b group. So 2b.